Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. This video is all about the R15 limited edition V3. Yamaha had been hitting the ball out of the park in the 150cc performance segment since its launch in 2008. Then it had gone through a lot of upgrades both cosmetically and on performance aspects of the bike. On each occasion, things got better and better, but then it got even menacing and more committed when Yamaha launched the R15 V3. It was an instant hit. It outperformed everything, and suddenly, when the competition demanded more, Yamaha went on and gave it their Grand Prix racing colors, which in 2019 was sponsored by Monster Energy, and that changed the entire presence and looks of the bike. And boy oh boy, it looks exactly the same as the MotoGP machine piloted by none other than Valentino Rossi and Maverick Vinales. And trust me guys, this video don't do justice to its looks, but in flesh the bike feels more premium, mean and out of the world. In this video I am featuring and giving you guys the cinematic walk around of the Monster Energy Yamaha R15 V3 limited edition 2019 bike. So let's get started. Along with the Monster Energy Yamaha R15, I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of the Yamaha BS6 R15 version which Yamaha launched last week. This bike features a new BS6 engine and it got a power figure which is bit more lesser than the outgoing model, which is the BS5 model. This Yamaha bikes which also introduces with two new color variant, which you can see here is the blue one and the other one is the black, which we don't have here in the showroom right now. And here it is guys, enjoy the walk around and cinematic view of the R15. for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.